Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a logo slider in Elementor. First, open your Elementor editor and locate the image carousel widget. Drag and drop it onto your page where you want the slider to appear. Next, upload all your client or partner logos into your WordPress media library. Select these images to populate your new carousel. This initial setup is quick, taking less than 1 minute to get started. Now, let's refine how your logos appear. In the Content tab, you can set the Slides per View option, typically to 3 or 4 logos for a balanced look. Choose an appropriate image size, like medium or thumbnail, to ensure consistency. You can also decide whether to show navigation arrows and pagination dots, which guide users through your logos. These settings are crucial for a professional and user-friendly display. To make your slider more dynamic, consider enabling autoplay. You can set the autoplay speed, perhaps to 3000 milliseconds, for a smooth, automatic rotation. Explore various animation effects, such as fade or slide, to add visual interest to your transitions. In the Style tab, you have full control over the appearance of your navigation arrows and dots, allowing you to match them perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. This adds a polished touch. Finally, it's vital to ensure your logo slider looks great on every device. Elementor allows you to adjust settings for desktop, tablet, and mobile views, ensuring responsiveness. Check that your logos remain clear and legible, even on smaller screens. Always preview your page thoroughly across different devices before publishing. This final check guarantees a seamless user experience for everyone viewing your impressive logo showcase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.